Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video.
But that's what we've been looking at on that pair, is we've been taking small moves on this. Got to stop down in this range here to really protect us, because we're looking for that run up. But when price has gone and starts hesitating at level again and just doesn't want to break through, I've been closing my profits, resetting the trade, and we're like on our 4th or 5th trade right now over the last week and a half on this USD CAD. Happy with that. But what we're looking for is when we take that buy opportunity and price breaks above that level and it explodes like it did here on the way down. So that's what we're looking for. We're kind of seeing this thing kind of doing this rounding off thing right here. See? So, which is showing that we're getting more, that the selling pressure is weakening, and potentially we're seeing some buyer pressure push up. So anyway, that's the USD CAD. Aussie dollar. Let's look what we got here. Now we traded the Aussie dollar the other day, and I think we hit 80 pips on that thing. I can't remember offhand. I don't have my numbers in front of me. But this is the weekly chart, and you can see weekly wise we are in a sideways channel. All right. And you have a solid base here, key level. In fact, we're about to hit this key level again. I'm going to drop this down because there seems to be right here is the better key level. But we also have a slight uptick going on the weekly chart. Oops, I did not mean to knock that one out. Okay, let's grab it here. That's not going to want to do that. All right. That's not going to draw out real clear. Actually, you know what? It does. If you look at it, price was coming down, coming up off this trend line. It broke through, and now it's hesitating at this level. So this is the big key right here. Is price going to continue pushing its way up this trend, or it's going to hit and do a dump off? So it's kind of up in the air right now. I'd just be very careful. If price breaks above this key level strongly, then I'd be looking for a buy as it comes back down to this level and take that thing back up. But we could, if price breaks back down, I would be looking for selling opportunities when price retests this trend line again. All right, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's see what we got. Okay, that trend line was broken. It was going into you can see that earlier on the weekly chart that this trade had two trends. It had a slow downtrend as well as a bottom level uptrend, which is squeezing itself into a pennant. Well, ultimately, boom, in one shot, 1 week, the price broke it, came back down, came down to this level, and is now working its way back up. You can see here that we do have a key level right in here where price is rejected here, and now it's working its way back up. So we could see a rejection off the 84.60 to 84.50 range and see the New Zealand dollar weaken, go back down against the US dollar. But again, it could also break back up because it's already retested the line last week. Strong rejection, and it's now working its way back up. So usually when you have a strong rejection, it sort of starts working its way down. But on a lower time frame level, let's go to the daily chart, we could see a rejection off of this level. In fact, I'm going to put in an order in here to sell 84.57, 84.55. I'm going to put a tight stop on this too. This is counter trend somewhat, because what we don't know is if that is going to be a reversal point. That's what we're looking for. Let's see, 8.84. I'm trying to talk and type at the same time. Apologize. 84. 50. And I'm going to trade this straight off the daily chart. So I'm going to put a stop at 84.90, real tight one. Okay. Stop. Let's put stop loss. Okay, now take profit. I would most likely say from this that price rejects off the scan. We're going to come all the way down to this 83.50 mark or lower, but at least there I would at least pull profit originally off of 83.50. So just go a little bit above and say 83.60. 83.60 is my take profit. So we're talking about a risk to reward, a 40 pip stop with a 90 pip reward. So we're looking at a really strong risk to reward on that one. I'm going to narrow down to the 4-hour chart too, just to verify those levels. Yeah, 84.50. Yeah, and we have a stop up in this range here, so that's pretty solid. But it is trending up, okay? But so I would be looking for a nice run up over the next day or so, a rejection. In fact, you know what? Yeah, we'll just shoot for that. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We may end up closing out profits early. Once we get up 40, 50 pips, I may just go ahead and close out 50% of the position and move the stop to break even. I think locks in some profits to make sure we don't take any losses. Aussie yen, I think was earlier, same thing. The Aussie yen, oh my gosh, this is probably one of my favorite currency pairs to trade. But this thing has run up since. Why does that thing keep staying on there? Around October, so 3 months ago, going from 8 all the way to 9,500. So we're talking about 1,500 pips. And again, you guys are looking for key levels to buy. This 90 mark is a huge level. In fact, if we zoom it in, yeah, I'd be looking to buy at 90, but I don't think we're going to stop here. I think we see this pin bar reversal. I think this thing is going to continue skyrocketing up. And in fact, I'm going to look to buy this thing at 93.40. Well, actually, you know what? We're not going to, because again, what we want to look for is a key level for price to come down. And if price keeps going up, you know, we're trading in no man's land if we're not very careful. Okay, we need to, because the nearest stop that we could put a stop on this thing is way down here. I'm going to put a 200 pip stop on this trade. I don't think so. I'm not really interested in that.
Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to TradeAdvisorPro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.